yeah, it's just a little bit.
It's just a little bit.
It's just bleeding a little bit, see? But it'll be okay.
Okay. Mommy.
I'll just get a Band-Aid.
You had to be really, really careful with the glass.
I know.
Mommy, you had to be really, really careful.
Thank you, Mila.
I will get you a Band-Aid for you.
Thank
so I
you.
can make it feel better.
That'd be very nice.
And get some lotion for you.
Okay. I think your
got
song was...
You had to be really, really careful, Mommy. You can't be. I will give you a Band-Aid. I will give you some ocean.
Thank you.
I will give you